good, it's good, it's good, it's good. We out. It's a new day, and yeah, I feel good. I feel great. It's an awesome morning, and yeah, I can give you a 360 view of the area, and today we're gonna go for a hike, and just a short one to relieve the weekly stress and everything. But yeah. In the wild there are a lot of animals, and I don't know if you guys can see. I'm afraid of these small wild animals, these reptiles. I think I saw one here. Was it gone? Oh yeah, there it is. It has gone. So I was told somewhere that there was a river here, and that's what you're trying to look for right now. And yeah, we're in a slope right now. It's just like a steep slope. But so far so good. Yeah. I've drunk almost half of my water right now. Man. So right now we're still searching for the river, and yeah, this is a good place. Just moving you know. So from afar I can hear the river flowing, and I think we're almost there. Yeah, we're almost there, but we're still moving. It's like a slope. We're still descending, and I think right by my left side I can hear the river flowing. It's clocking 25 degrees. So where do we head from here? Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. We there. We there. Woo!
Underneath the street lamp, steady burn. Life's a game of dice, waiting your turn. City lights.
so nice. See? Whoa. So you guys remember I told you that I'll be visiting the cave. I'm tired as fuck. It was a long journey. At least here, this one has been longer. So here's the cave. Ooh, you're about to see a lot of creepy things. Ooh. Yeah, so this could be someone's crib. If you're out there, you ain't having no place to chill and stay, this is a perfect spot. You can come here, set up a tent, you know, try like having some curtains here and stands.